welcome to IHM Gurukul. Today we are diving into the world of continental cuisine with 10 must continental soup. Whether you are a foodie or a budding chef, this list will definitely inspire your next culinary creation. Let's get started. French onion soup. This classic French soup is rich, hearty, and topped with golden melted cheese, perfect for chili savory. Minestrone soup, a healthy Italian soup loaded with vegetables, beans, and pasta. It's a crowd pleasure. Cream of mushroom soup. Velvety and earthy, this soup is luxuriously for mushroom lovers. Gaspacho, the chill Spanish soup, is made with fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. It's refreshing and perfect for summers. Tom Yum soup, a spicy and tangy soup from Thailand, filled with shrimp and fragrant herb. A total flavor explosion. Chicken velvet soup, rich and creamy. This French soup starts with a velvety roc's base and tender chicken, a gourmet delight. Ball base, a French seafood soup packed with fresh fish, shellfish, and aromatic saffron, a treat for seafood lovers. Brosh. From Eastern Europe, this vibrant beetroot soup is comforting and packed with flavors. Leek and potato soup, a smooth and creamy soup with the subtle sweetness of leeks and hardy potatoes. Simply yet but satisfying. And the last one is lobster biscuit. This elegant soup is pure indulgence, made with tender lobsters and a creamy flavored broth. So there you have it, an incredible continental soup to try at home or on your culinary adventure. Which one are you excited to make? Let me know in comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time.